Well, as usual, making these videos, I just go off the deep end talking. I'm trying to keep them under 15, but then when I look at the little numbers on this thing, it says, oh, 18, 20. I say, oh shit. Okay, so I just erased the damn thing and start over again. So let's see if I can keep to a frame of mind. Let me see. If I remember how I'm putting these videos together, I've not yet gotten or shown you the new pup. So when I decided to get a second dog, a second border collie, it was like spur of the moment. So I knew my chances of just jumping on the list of breeders that I got Spirit from, that I'd be lucky if any dogs popped up that I would have a chance at. Well, by God, there was a brand new litter of 10 pups, and they were taking names, and I got in and I was the last person to grab a spot. And I'm thinking, for things that just happen out of the blue, it must have been meant. There's some things in my life that I believe were actually meant to happen. And as I look back on those things and what they led to, I'm going, somebody up there is watching over me. So anyway, yeah, I'm due here soon to do a video chat with the breeder and view the dogs and make my choice of which pup I want. I'm getting another female because I've always had females. Always done really well with them. They're non-aggressive, they're easily taught, and I think they stick together with you as much as any male that I've known. So yeah, that's a big change coming. And I'll be showing you the new pup when I choose her, when she's home. And she'll be called Angel. So I'll have Spirit and Angel, my two female border collies. And they'll be trained together, and in the past, they'll follow each other. You know, they'll learn from each other. So what I teach one, the other one will pick it up a little quicker maybe. That's how it seems to have happened in the past. Even if I had an Irish setter and a border collie, they'd kind of copy each other. Like the border collie would start pointing and the Irish setter would start going like this, you know. And it was funny. They were learning from each other. What we're going to do is we will be traveling to many places around here, because like we're in the foothills of the Cascades. Like Rainier is 45 minutes drive from either the east side or the west side from where we live up here. And there's all kinds of hiking trails, alpine lakes you can hike up to that I took all my dogs to. I've got 2 dog packs that my other dogs that I had used. And it's just going to be a whole brand new world. Yeah, 2 dogs again, it's going to be an active home, a happy home. Because I just kind of felt sad with Spirit not having another pup, another dog to play with and gallivant on. Because I'm not as, well, quick or energetic as I was 15 years ago. But these guys are going to change that for me. They're going to improve my life in many ways. And I'm going to make their life as good as my last 2 dogs had it for over 15 years. Yeah, you just lay in your bed and stare at me. Oh, yeah. My summer haircut. Finally got that. That thing will last 6 months. I do my own little trims. Because, God, when I was a kid, what? A haircut cost $1.75. Now you're paying $25 for less time than it took the barber back then to do your haircut. You know, they go, vroom, vroom, vroom. I'm watching the clock and say, holy shit, what is that? Like almost $5 a minute or 2 minutes? Jeez. You know, I know maybe electricity is expensive, but holy crap. Crazy. Crazy. So I get semi-annual haircuts. And yeah, I don't really like it starting out. Nobody likes a haircut starting out. But then it starts to grow on you. And this will be good for at least 6 months. Whoa, you agree, huh? Huh? Oh, yeah, you do agree, huh? Yeah, I lost some hair, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Clean shaven. Well, I haven't shaved yet. Oh, okay. All right. Well, anyway, yeah, you guys will be watching us train Angel and Ember because they'll be working individually and together like I had my others. They'll be trained to obey by command and by name because I had Kate and Sarah, my last 2 dogs that passed away, in the backyard, and I'd train them to say, okay, Kate, come. Sarah would stay and sit, and then I'd say, Sarah, come. Or I'd say, Sarah, come. And they'd come and jump over the hurdle and then sit in front of me, and then I'd say, okay, heel. And they'd go around and sit, wait for the next dog that hadn't been given the command to come yet. So that's what I want to do with these. Okay, I'll play with you just a minute. Let me finish. Let me see. I only got 7 minutes on this. I got to finish it off, okay? Okay, yeah. Are you going to give that back to me? I tell you, these smart dogs can be real demanding. Oh, yes. Yes, I know. Hey, just wait. Just wait. Can you wait? Okay. But, yeah, all of you out there that I heard from when I was going to quit this and just give up, I never heard from you guys before. You're brand new, some of you. And I want all of you guys that watch my channel, that get something out of it, that like how different mine is from all the others you may have seen on BoobTube, YouTube. Keep coming back, telling me things, okay? Okay? Because, you know, I'm talking from over 70 years of experience. And I'm always curious as to what other people who may have gone to the same places we go to have seen the changes I've seen. Will you hold on? Sit. Good girl. Boy, that was fast. I think that deserves a treat. I gotta lose weight. Getting my hand in these darn pockets is getting harder. There. Good. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm fasting. That's the only way I can lose weight, really. I'm fasting, and I am getting more active with the good weather. I'm more enthusiastic about getting things done around the house, in the house, prepping everything again for the new puppy, getting my outdoor kennel all cleaned up and put together again so it's usable. And she's doing some funny things. And yeah, it's going to be great. So, all you guys, hang in there, okay? The big reveal is coming soon. All right. Oh my gosh. She wants to play with her toy here. She'll tear things apart till there's just a sliver. And she'll still be playing with it. Say, here, play with it. Okay. Yeah, I got a book of tricks, 101 tricks to train your dog. So I'm going to be working on that. And then I want to work on them and see if they can earn their AKC Good Citizen Award. What? I'm not ignoring you. I'm trying to make a video. Just wait. Jeez whiz. Okay, guys. Let me know how you like my videos, okay? Not that I'm going to change. This is how I am. This is what I do. This is how I feel comfortable just talking to you. So, okay. Let me see. I cleaned up the garage. So that's a self-contained area for training I can use for the pup and spirit here. I'm doing this for people that really are interested. With a new pup, I'll be showing you guys a lot of things that I do for my dogs, and that includes traveling and what I do for them, and all these things that people keep thinking, oh, you can't take your dog there, you can't do that, you can't do that. Well, that's a bunch of bullshit. Businesses are learning that more people travel with their dogs, and if they kick the dogs out, they kick their customers out. And the idea of business is to make lots of moolah. So they're not going to do anything stupid. The only thing they're going to do is kick the stupid people that don't have well-trained dogs. Sorry about that earthquake. Or well-behaved kids, you know. You can tell the kind of parents people are by how their children act and how their dogs act. These border collies have such stares, you know, they go right through you. So, anyway, that's it. The sun's come out. It's actually nice here. I got to water the new lawn again and run around and play with Spirit. So take care. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button and give us some feedback. Tell us about your dog. How old is it? How long you had it? Male, female? What's the funny things it does, you know? That's it. We'll see you next time. Hopefully the next video, if I got my mind in order, will be the introduction of Angel. Okay, take care. Thanks for spending your time with us, and we hope you're well. Bye-bye.